from the Caribbean to Cape Town and beyond.
Hi everyone, this is Mike Brennan here at the National Hurricane Center. It's coming on with the latest this afternoon on what is now Tropical Storm Sara.
There's two situations. First one being a direct hit to Grand Bahama here, or this general vicinity, and we gotta run south.
Far.
Yeah. Second scenario is it's not a direct hit, and it skirts us either north or south, which I'm seeing models doing. The problem is they're split with us right in between.
Yeah.
So if they
It's probably gonna go right
start to
down the
close together,
Maybe we just roll the dice and we go to golden side.
Well, all right, we're gonna turn off this
Everything.
thing.
Yeah.
Gonna put our
Nobody's
phones
gonna
away.
watch away the pool.
We're just gonna guess. We want to be real pirates.
Pretty bad weather this ride, Jim. Really bad. It's supposed to be raining right now.
What do they say about weathermen?
You're not gonna get into heaven.
I used every single tool we have. Had to go to battle yesterday with our anchor windlass. This big dog right here, it packed up on us. I was trying to be very technical and really figure out how to make it work. And then I just decided to use a hammer and beat the shit out of it. And now it's working again. This is kind of the moment of truth. It went down yesterday. Will it come up? At least we're out the hole and we can head south again. Let's go find some sharks.
Hit like or subscribe to follow us on our adventures.